Hi everyone! Welcome back to the Daily Tagalog, where you learn simple Tagalog you can use in real conversations. In today's lesson, I'll teach you a simple way to respond in Tagalog. So when someone talks to you, you'll know what to say. Let's start with this phrase. Mabuti naman. This means, I'm good. You can use this when someone asks, Kumusta ka? Which means, how are you? Repeat after me. Mabuti naman. Again. Mabuti naman. Now let's add, ikaw. This means, and you? So now you can say, Mabuti naman. Ikaw? Repeat after me. Mabuti naman. Ikaw? Again. Mabuti naman. Ikaw? Another simple response is, Mabuti din. This means, I'm good too. Repeat after me. Mabuti din. Again. Mabuti din. Let's see how this works in a conversation. Kumusta ka? Mabuti naman. Ikaw? Mabuti din. Now let's practice. I will ask the question and you answer during the silent part. Ready? Kumusta ka? Mabuti din. Now let's switch. This time, you ask first. Go ahead. Mabuti naman. Ikaw? Great job! If it feels hard at first, that's okay. Just practice slowly and you'll get more comfortable each time. That's it for today. Now you know how to respond when someone asks you in Tagalog. Keep practicing and I'll see you in the next lesson. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and continue learning with the Daily Tagalog.